trying to get the economics to align with the incentives and align with human behavior and align with game theory to try to get it right. At least that's the attempt. I mean, that's the goal here. Nothing's perfect, and we're just trying to do the best we can.
Resource holders can have different responsibilities, but typically one will be the pool operator and will be responsible for running a server, organizing the transactions that are to be placed in the ledger, while others will be more passive.
Finance is making things possible over time. People who have money now and don't need it, who might like to get it back afterwards, and people who have an ID now and don't have the money.
Problem is, the table belongs to someone else. So when we sit at their table, a middleman controls the process, holds our valuables, and charges us a lot of money.
The interest rate on most crypto is 0 because you're not able to let other traders or individuals use your crypto. And so what we're trying to do is to create a marketplace where all crypto is used and is interest generating. My belief is that there's going to be a continuing increase in the number of stablecoins that exist because the barriers are low and the upside to successfully creating a stablecoin is huge.
Namely,
if you hold the dollars and issue stablecoins against them, you benefit from the interest rates inherent in dollars eventually, and you can also benefit from transaction costs that you build into the stablecoin for the creation, redemption, or transfer of them.